Hey, welcome to another Wandering Moose Productions. It is Friday, May 20-something, and we're leaving Mattapoisett Harbor to go sail north. We have to make the canal by 3 o'clock, and it's, what time is it now?
10:44.
10:44.
Special thanks to Will's mom for the blueberry buckle. And
It's still warm.
Still warm. Will doing some repairs up on the sail. Some quick on-the-go stuff. We had a beautiful sail in, and right now we're just motoring into the canal. Hopefully we'll pop through, and then we'll decide where we're going from there, I guess.
Somebody turned the wind off, so we're shaking this reef out and hopefully get a little more cloth up to get some more speed.
Yeah.
Well, especially because they have the tails.
Yeah, I know.
The night has begun.
It's almost 8:30. Watches started at 8, and I'm just gonna do the first hour and a half by myself because I feel awake. Getting through some lobster traps. There's one right there actually. Crew log. It's just after 2 a.m. I just finished my second watch. I had to motor for a couple hours, but now we're doing 4.5, 5 knots. Thinking about putting up the chute in a little bit, have some fun if the wind conditions are favorable.
Whoa!
Is it working?
Yeah, it looks really good, dude.
It's like Wes Anderson. Yeah. There you go. Perfect.
We got into Monhegan Harbor at around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and after 2 days at sea, we were pretty tired and maybe a little bit delirious, and we spent the evening having some hot food and writing some poetry.
To but just hope. Yeah. That's fantastic.
Welcome to Monhegan. Say hello to the rocks. this. Oh, I forgot. POV.
POV, you're on the
Wait, can you
boat.
see what-
10.
Uh-oh. We're having some spinnaker problems. Old-fashioned douse sock did not work for us.
Back on port sheet.
Last leg. We're coming into Rockport now. We're cruising.
It was about 55 hours on the boat, and so when we got to Rockport Harbor, we got onto our mooring and we're eager to get to shore, but first we had to inflate the little raft.
There she is. Two, one. Oh my god! That's so cool.
It's nice.
So we made it to Rockport and had a wonderful day, just relaxing and walking around. Yeah. Oh, where's Will?
Oh shoot.
Oh!
Hey guys,
How'd you like the day here, Will?
it was good. Good to be back up in Rockport. Mooring's not too far away.
It's really pretty.
Wonderful day. It's a great place.
Oh, that
Cut.
bird stopped calling.